Hello everyone, my name is Amanda and I have 4 years experience in creating websites using WordPress. Okay, so if you are looking to learn how to build a website from scratch using WordPress, you have come to the right place. And on this channel, you will find easy to follow tutorials, some tips and some tricks that will guide you through every step of the web design process. So whether you are a complete beginner or you are looking to improve your skills, my goal here is to make web design accessible and enjoyable for everyone. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So one may ask, what are we going to learn from this class or this project? Okay, so we are going to learn a whole lot. We are going to learn how to set up our local SAM. Remember, the main motive here is to design everything offline. So we are going to learn how to download and install our server offline. We are going to learn how to create our database and install the WordPress offline. We are going to explore, we are going to download, activate some themes. We are also going to discover how to customize the themes to suit our unique vision and then the requirements we want or the requirement the customer wants from you as a designer. We are also going to learn how to customize the font size, the colors, the font type. Okay, we are also going to learn how to run some templates to look like what we want. We will learn how to personalize templates to align with our brand identity. So if someone says, oh, I want a website for what do we call it, a coffee shop, so you have to make sure the brand, the template you are choosing and everything matches with what you are going to do. Okay, and last but not the least, each module in this comprehensive project equips you with some valuable skills and knowledge that will empower you to design some stunning websites offline. Remember, we are doing everything offline, so kindly share this transformative journey with a friend and we can create the website together. Okay, so we are going to take a very good look at the following steps. I said that previously. We are going to learn how to download and install all of them, which is the server and then the WordPress as well. So taking the table of contents, the one on the list is introduction to WordPress website design. So we are going to learn and understand the basics of WordPress, the benefits of designing WordPress offline, and then introduce the tools and resources required as well. The second part is setting up the local environment, which is again, we will have a look at installing and configuring the SAM, which is our server. We are going to create the databases for WordPress and then install the WordPress on our local host. The third one is, redesigning and customizing our WordPress templates as well. Everything is going to be offline, so don't worry. We will explore some themes and then select the right one. We will also install and activate the themes as well. We will make sure we customize our themes to match our brand. Like I said previously, we will be adding and then organizing our website content. I'm going to help you get some content using AI. So we are going to use AI to generate all our content to fill our website as well. Now the last but not the least is the exploring essential plugins and functionality. I will also introduce you to some essentials WordPress plugins. I will teach you how to install, activate, and then customize them as well. The last one is migrating your website online, which is pretty easy and very simple. Now, when you are done designing your website offline, you will learn how to choose a web hosting provider. We will upload our website files to the server. We will import our database to the live server. We will test and troubleshoot our migrated website as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry. So actually, the whole project, this is all about the project. We aim to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the field of web design. I see a lot of people who have the passion to design websites for some reason, it's something else. So specifically, we are focusing on WordPress website development. So we will learn free with high quality educational content, that will help each and everyone get what they want. It can even be your hobby, just in your leisure time, take your laptop, try to do something. So that's how the whole thing is going to be. So we are going to do everything offline, and then when we are done, we are going to move all of them online. So this is what I used to state. We are going to make this happen. We are going to cook it. We are going to cook the website from today. I need you to like, comment, and share this video with someone. Okay, it's going to be beneficial. So I need you to send it to someone as well. This statement metaphorically compares WordPress to a canvas. That's how I see it. I came up with this kind of statement. So it actually emphasizes the adaptability as a platform for creative expression. So with me, I see it just as an artist using a blank canvas to bring their imagination to life. WordPress provides users with the tools and flexibility to transform their ideas into some digital creation. You and I know it. So whether it's designing websites, crafting content, or building online communities, WordPress serves as the foundation on which individuals can unleash their creativity. Trust me, it's very powerful. And then the aspiration behind everything I'm doing when it comes to this. So when it comes to my aspiration, I'm dedicated to bringing, the experts in WordPress. The experience I have when it comes to designing websites using WordPress. I am dedicated in bringing those things out. I will be actively conducting free workshops and providing some resources to aspiring designers, people who want to learn. I'm here to give you some tips, some tricks, some files, some links, whatever you want, with the goal of breaking down the barriers that may hinder, others' progress. We all have to learn, and each individual can learn, grow, and thrive in this journey towards this web design. Okay, so to fully activate in this website design journey, please ensure your laptop meets the following requirements. Okay, it has a whole lot, but I think if you have the laptop and you are not using that might be different because you may not have so many things on it. But if you are someone I know that has a lot of items on it, it will be a problem. So you make sure your operating system is working very well. We have some, Windows 10 or later, and then your processor must be the minimum should be a dual core i5. You should have it, and then your RAM, the minimum must be 8 GB. But I will recommend you use 16 GB or higher. But minimum you should have 8 GB. The storage must be at least 256 gigabytes if you have it. That's all. And then your internet connection. I know we are not going to deal with internet when it comes to that, but you have to get it in case you want to do your research, you want to download, you want to use AI to do certain things. You will have to use the internet. But I will also recommend you get the latest version of the web browser. I am using Chrome. Chrome is very good for me. I don't know what kind of browser you are using, but you have to make sure you have the latest version of it. And last but not the least, I will say get some kind of graphic design tools. Let's see, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, not Adobe, let's say InDesign, get something like Canva. I use Canva a lot, so I will recommend you use one of these for graphic design tasks that may come along. Don't worry, if you have any question about this requirement or need assistance in preparing your laptop, just please feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and ensure that everyone is ready to get the most out of my class. Okay, so this is a website I did offline and later migrated them online. It's a real estate website I did for someone. I did everything offline, and when I was done, I packed everything and then sent them online. So it's pretty easy. You can put it on a mockup. I will teach you how to do that, put it on the phone, put it on this one, and so many things. So it's pretty easy to do that as well. And then the next one is please, if you are new to this channel, there is a lot going to happen. If you are new here, I need you to please subscribe and then share this with others so they can benefit from it. Okay, so I really thank you all for watching, and don't hesitate to ask me any question if you have. Leave it in the comment section below and send via email. I'm going to see you all in the next video. Have a beautiful day as well. Bye.